Hi there, check out the Codree stuffed animal zoo storage. A plush toy organizer with a strong metal frame and elastic band that keeps toys secure and prevents them from falling out. This storage cage is easy to install with a clear instruction manual and features a hollow bottom to help toys dry and stay dust-free. It includes hooks and screws for wall mounting, maximizing your room's storage space while adding a stylish round design. Measuring 38 by 13 by 13 inches, it's perfect for storing children's toys or pet toys, making full use of vertical space to keep your home tidy. The versatile design also works great for balls, pillows, blankets, and more, fitting nicely in bedrooms, playrooms, or nurseries. Plus, it's a thoughtful gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Keep your space organized and clutter-free with this durable and functional plush toy storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.